Hey guys, welcome to Sai Production. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your own T-harness to add accessories to your vehicle. I will be installing this on my Jeep Wrangler JK 2016. I found this cigarette harness connector on AliExpress for approximately $4. Link will be in the description below. You need some wires, wire loom, and also inline fuse with 10 amp fuse on it. You will also need some heat shrink and also zip ties. I'm using these connectors so I can add accessories to it. Some tools and a heat gun if you have. Alright, let's start. So you're gonna take a red wire and measure the length however long you need it. And then peel off approximately 6 inches away from the end, and then use some sharp object or a screwdriver to make a hole in that wire. Then you want to take additional 12-inch long wire and peel off the end, twist it, and then insert it into the hole that you made to make a military connection. Add heat shrink to secure the connection. Apply some tape so the connection can be covered and be waterproof. Repeat the same process with the ground wire, black wire. So you should have at the end 2 similar looking Y pieces, and then add a zip tie securely so then the wire won't pull with each other. Peel the ends of the wire and attach a female pin to the smaller length of the black wire. Make sure it's secure and use the proper crimp tool, and use the male pin onto the longer black wire. Repeat the same process for the red power wire. Attach the female pin onto the smaller length red wire and attach a male pin onto the longer length red wire, same as the black one. Now take the ground wire with the female connector and insert into the male connector top hole. And when you insert, make sure it's secure properly and doesn't pull out when you're pulling the wire. And now take the female connector with red wire, insert into the right of the black wire that we just inserted. Again, make sure it's secure properly and does not pull out easily. Now take the red and black wire with the male connector and insert into the female. The black wire would go on top and the red wire will go onto the left side of that connector. Make sure it's secure properly. Now you should have male and a female connector. Apply some tape so it looks cleaner. Add an inline fuse with 10 amp fuse on the other end of the power red wire. Also apply heat shrink and some tape. add wire connectors to both ends of the black and red wire, so it'll be easier for you to attach accessories when installing the accessories in the car. Add wire loom to secure all the wires and give it a cleaner look, and we are all done. Here is the final product that we just made: male, female end, and 2 wire connectors. To install, insert the male connector of the harness we just made into the cigarette lighter assembly on the Jeep or any vehicle, and the female connector will be attached to the wire in the car. Now insert the OEM male connector into the female connector of the harness we just made. Tuck the wires back in, secure it properly, and just put the trim back. And it's all done. Stay tuned and I'll be showing you the next video how to install an accessory or connect an accessory to this wire. Thank you for watching.